Jigsaw on that little ass bike. Say, next nigga dick ride getting banned. I ain't gonna lie. Next nigga dick ride getting banned, cause this bitch get up on my auntie. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, man. This shit get up. I see how. Nobody seen that.
Who getting fucked tonight?
Oh my auntie! Who?
You getting fucked tonight?
Let me calm my. I gotta calm my stupid ass down.
She getting fucked tonight. She getting fucked tonight. I said she really getting fucked tonight. I'm tryna fuck tonight. Where you at? I'm tryna fuck tonight.
Oh my auntie. What you say, Matal? Look what he say. He said, "Oh my mama." We gotta redo it. We gotta replay that part. We gotta replay that part. That shit's so hard. But you know I ain't broke on my auntie, nigga. Out to young. Oh shit.
How you doing? Can you come down a little bit? My kids start school tomorrow.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry. No fucking way. No fucking way. I just got a fucking noise complaint, bro. It's no way. It's no fucking. I did not know they can hear me, cuz. I've been talking crazy all day. You gotta get sound pads, bro. Bitch, that ain't gonna work. That is not gonna fucking sound pads, dumbass. Stop fucking. Just use your fucking brain, my nigga. He talking about sound pads. What the fuck is sound? What is sound pads gonna do, my nigga?